Angel and I'm 9 years old.
Hi, I'm Angel and I'm 12 years old. And this year we are
We're
both
going to the summer day camp.
And this year we're going to be talking about and learning about critical thinking skills. For example, Diego, show us an example.
I have an engineering catapult that I did it by measuring, cutting, and gluing, and it can go very far. That's pretty cool.
Hello, my name is Jan and I'm 6 years old and you?
Hello, my name is Diego and I'm 6 years old too. I'm at summer camp. We like to count. For example, a car, it has 4 wheels, 3 straws, and then a balloon. It equals and you
And to cut, measure and make.
¡Está todo! Le estás echando todo.
And make. And with you.
So, I've heard that you've been in our camp for a few years now and you've grown and learned a lot of English, haven't you?
Yes,
Do you like being in camp?
yes, a lot.
Well, I've heard that this year you're going to be a junior counselor, like me.
Yeah. And I have some questions about that. What do you get about being a junior counselor?
Well, I got the experience of working with smaller people. I developed my leadership skills and learn and practice some English.
And what's the hardest thing about being a junior counselor?
The most challenging part about being a junior counselor is, well, controlling the little kids because they're so energetic and they're all over the place.
Yeah. And the last question, what is the best thing about being a junior counselor?
That you get to play with everybody and you get to be like the leader, like the best.
Yeah.
Hi, my name is Alejandro and I'm 8 years old. And you?
Hi, my name is Nico. I'm 7 years old. In the camp, we do experiments.
Like explosive experiments. Like this one, you have a bottle of Coca-Cola and some Mentos. And when you mix the Mentos with the Coca-Cola, it explodes.
And this is vinegar and baking soda. If we mix them, they will explode.
And in the camp, we do explosive things.
My name is Cano and I'm 7 years old. I like summer camp.
Hello, my name is Martina. I'm 7 years old. I like the summer camp. Hello, my name is Katia. I'm 9 years old and I had a very fun last year in the camp.
Hello, my name is Hannah and I have very fun in the camp, in the summer camp.
Hello, my name is Marta and I like the summer camp.
Yeah, summer camp. Yes, I've gone to there for years. And you?
1.
Hi Martina, what do you do last year in the camp? What do you remember?
Then we go to the park and we jump the rope.
And you, Marta?
We do a spinner.
And Katia?
That we make lip gloss.
And Carmen?
We make cookies.
My name is Angel and I'm 12 years old. And I've been in this camp since I was 6 years old and I've had a lot of fun.
Hello, my name is Elijah and I've been at this camp twice. And I'm 11 years old and I'm a junior counselor.
Hi, my name is Mario and I've been in this camp a lot of years and I'm passing it very fun.
Hello,
Hi, hello. My name is Tetuan. I'm 7 years
In
old.
this camp, we do a lot of interesting things, which are, for example, making different science experiments, making crafts, playing games, and having lots of fun.
I really like Water Wednesdays.
Those days, we can bring our water pistols and we can throw water at each other, and it's very fun.
Alright guys, see you around!
On 5, 4, 3, 2, put your other hand on his shoulder, Diego. 1.
I don't know, but I think it's true.